Well, it's pretty convenient when your whitetail hunting spot is also your smallmouth bass fishing spot. Jeez, pulling hard in this current. Barely gaining any line on the thing. That's a big fish too. Yeah, that'll work. Jeez. Yeah, that'll work for a first fish. Barely hooked. Hooked popped right out as soon as I got it in the net. Look at that chunk. Oh my god. Wow, that is a fat fish. Oh my goodness, just a chunker. Oh, that's a heavy one. Holy moly. Look at that. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah, about 18 and a half. Man, what a healthy looking fish though. Holy cow. Whoop. All right, nice fish. Gotta go get my net. Just like that. Haven't floated another maybe 100 yards or so. Got another one just like that. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a good one too. Another nice little one. Oh boy, it's gonna be one of those days. That's a big smallmouth. There we go. Got him. That's a nice fish. Super healthy. Nice one. I would say she goes about close to 19. Yeah, nice 19 and a quarter. Beautiful fish. I released her right back onto her bed. And there she is, right back to guarding her bed. Pretty cool. Oh my God, that's a big one. All right. Well, that's a chunk. That is a really nice smallie right there. Probably the best one today so far. There you go, perfect. Super healthy fish. God, they get big up here. Look at that one. What a toad. $18 on the money. Nice red eye. Wow. That is a sweet fish. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah, let's go. Oh, that was awesome. Nice fish too. Oh, that's probably the best one for the day, maybe even. Oh my goodness, that's a tank. Ooh. Yeah. Are you? On the tube. I guess he wanted it. Nice fish. Not as big as I thought, but still super solid. Wow, what a pretty one. Look at the colors on that one. Oh my goodness. God, I like this. This is just, oh, unreal. Love this so much. What an incredibly beautiful fish. Oh my gosh. Wow. Thanks for playing, buddy. Holy crap, this is just... Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Oh. sharks. Unreal. This is nuts. Oh my God, another tank. Ooh. Oh, that's a heavy one. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What a pretty fish. Wow. I'm gonna put that one on the scale just for grins. It's a fat one. Just to see. I'm saying it's about 3.5, 4 pounds maybe. $3.48. Wow. Awesome. Well, that was a really nice day on the river. Caught a bunch of fish and discovered something that, you know, I've always wanted to float before, and here I am doing it and having a little bit of success with it. So I've got a roughly 4-mile stretch of river here that I have to paddle before the end of the day, and it's about 6 o'clock, so it gets dark at about 8:30, so I have to skedaddle on out of here. But thanks for checking out the video, guys, and leave a comment and subscribe if you don't mind. See you next time.